Okay, so the last thing that we're going to see how to do in this intro to Python is how to do math with numbers. Okay, so let's use what we learned in the second example and get two numbers from the user. So we'll call these num1 and num2 now for short. So num1 equals, and we'll do int because we're getting a number, input, and we'll write our first prompt. So we'll write enter the first number. Remember, anything in red, we could write what we want. So I chose to write enter the first number. You could write please enter a number, whatever message is going to convey the point. And then we'll do the same thing for num2. We'll say num2 equals int input enter the second number. And then what we'll do is we're going to create a third variable. And this third variable is going to be equal to num1 plus num2. Okay? It's going to be equal to num1 plus num2. And what we're going to do, num2, like that. We're going to say print the sum is, and we'll do plus sum. So this should tell us the sum of the two numbers. So let's go ahead and enter the first number, 99. Second number is 100. It says the sum is 199. We could run this again. 100, 100, the sum is 200. One more time, let's do some big numbers. Let's really test the computer. And it tells us the sum.